Alright, welcome back to Pokémon. We're gonna just pick up where we left off. Paldean Fates. Great cards. We got some fire in the last one. So we're gonna try and just pick up where we left off on that. We got 2 boxes here. 2 more ETBs. So let's just rip in and get it done. Watched a couple videos on the tube, and some just absolute fire coming out of these boxes. So I'm not going to go through everything. We already opened everything up, and actually, you know what? I'm going to open both boxes up, get everything ready to go, and we'll just dive in. Alright, here we go. We got both ETBs all unboxed right here. Let's just dive in here. Boom. Alright. I'm going to just skip right up over here. Oh, Paldean, baby shiny. Alright. Well, we got one. I like that, the shiny. That's pretty nice. Alright. We're just gonna skip right to where the first reverse is. Because you guys know what these cards are. We don't need to go through every single one of them. Ooh. Oh, Alakazam. Full art. Nice. Look at that. Man, these hollows are sick. And a Mimikyu. Alright. Boom. 2 packs. Have been fire so far. Alright. Let's stop right here. Oh, man. Toadscrew again. That's like our 3rd or 4th one that we pulled.
I think it's the 3rd.
Alright. We've technically had hits in our first 3 packs. Charmeleon. Nah. Buster. Little Buster. It's all good. Alright, come on. Nah. Boo. Alright, come on. We got 4 more packs, including this. Ooh, Cleffa. Alright. Little shiny. Little baby shine. What do we got behind it? Ah. Alright. Come on. Let's go. Oh, Raichu. I'm a big fan of Raichu. I already got that one though. Got that one in my set. Come on. Oh, there's a full art.
Trainer one.
Yep. That's our first one of that. Alright. I like it. That's a hit. One more pack. Alright, come on. Going through this one.
Oh.
Dude, Jigglypuff. Baby shiny.
I don't really like its shiny because it's just its eyes that change.
I know, but I love all the
sparkles.
It's just a nice looking card.
Yeah.
And another one of those. I think I've pulled like 4 or 5 of these too. Alright, that's it for the first box. Now, on to the second one. Let's see what we get.
If we pulled that Clodsire, I think this would have automatically won, even if that was our only hit.
We'll see about that, though. Stop right here.
Oh, I love Polycha's shiny, too.
Let's go back to that, though.
Just love Polycha's shiny in general.
Nice. Very nice.
Such a cool Pokemon, too.
Come on. Oh, Clodsire.
Oh, that's not the one I want, but still I love Clodsire.
Ah, man, I don't like it. That's not what I'm about right here. I don't like it.
You don't like Clodsire?
Alright, next one.
This dude, he likes Pikachu and Charizard. And he doesn't like Clodsire.
Nope, I'm old school like that. Graveyard. Alright, let me move some of this stuff so we don't make too much of a mess. Boom!
That scared me really.
Alright, another Charizard. That's our second one that we pulled on the channel, and my daughter actually pulled one today earlier. So yeah, that's another Charizard for us. Alright. I mean, it's not the one that I want. I want that full art, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. Alright. I mean, so far that this second box is definitely winning. Alright. Come on. Oh! Actually, I think that we have the other one already. So we have both of them now, I think.
And the trainer full arts are just cool in general.
They are, but yeah. Rather have that Mew.
And he got like 50 of them.
I know, he kept pulling them. Pokérev did. Okay.
I just watch those code cards just bouncing around all the time.
I know, I'm just flinging them right off the table. Alright.
Oh, I love
Houndstone.
The new Pokemon shinies are just so great.
They are. Alright. And okay. Boo. Boo. What do we got? Yeah, it's not what we want. We got 3 packs left. We need some magic.
We need some Clodsire.
Dude, we just got one.
No, the other one, the full art. I need it.
Charmeleon, one of my favorites, and oh, there it is! This is the one my daughter's been wanting. Oh yeah, look at that. Magma Mortar on the back there. Look at that. That is a nice looking card.
I want to keep it.
Alright, there we go. And another one of those. Boom. I mean, I think it's safe to say that second box won.
Yes, it won. It won 100 times 100 times 100 times 100.
Alright. Come on, let's get one more good one. Let's get one more good one. Alright.
Minecraft?
I actually pulled one of these last night and I put it up on eBay and sold it right away, so maybe I'll sell this one too. Nice looking card. And
imagine we pulled a second Clodsire.
I don't think we're that lucky. I don't think so. Okay. This is it. No, I don't see anything back there. Reverum. Alright, that's all we got.
Second box won.
Second box definitely won. Oops,
when I saw that Clodsire, the second one won.
Oh, look at that.
I'm keeping it.
Yeah, this one definitely won. Alright.
We got 2 Clodsires from that box.
Yeah. Yep.
And Clodsire is so slow anyway.
Judge, Toad Scroll, Alexam. Yeah, those are some good boxes. Man, the pulls that we've been getting out of these are just awesome. I don't think we've. What do we do? The 2 blister packs. Those were okay.
Even if
Nothing crazy.
Clodsire was the only hit we got from that second box, the second box would have won.
Yeah. Alright. Appreciate you coming along. Yeah, we'll throw another video out there, I don't know, in the next few days, but yeah, thanks. I appreciate you guys coming by, and Poke9 out.